Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Kennett. Today I am here to share a few things about Shalaka Foundation's Keystone School of Engineering, where my son Shubham was admitted in the year 2012 when this school was established, when this college was established. And that was the first year of establishment, and we were the second one to take admission for my son in that college. And I'm very glad to share here that we never had to regret on the decision what we had taken of admitting our son to this college, because that was the best decision we had we had taken. This college, as you all must be aware of, it is located in a very huge campus, in a very huge open area, and it has a eco-friendly environment. It has a huge playground. Then it has a hostel facility. It has a bus facility, a transportation facility for the children who are coming from different parts of areas apart from Pune, who are staying far away. Then this college has three main streams, and it has a well-equipped lab for all these streams, and knowledgeable faculties, very expertise, their expertise in their teaching subjects, and they have a very good management staff, non-teaching staff, and Professor Soman sir, he himself personally takes interest in progress of each and every child who is being admitted over here, uh, from not only his progress in the studies, but his overall development, like from the personality point of view, from his intellectual point of view, and they all see to it that the child, each and every child over here, is trained enough to so when they are out from here, from the final year, then they should be capable enough, they should be confident enough to face the challenges in the outside world. So that's a very plus point about these colleges. They have really very good faculties and non-teaching staff who really go out of the way and support the child. They have a very good seminar hall, very huge seminar hall, where the expert speakers from where the expert eminent personalities from reputed industries are invited to give lectures on the industrial situations. So this that helps these children to gain knowledge about what's the present situation scenario in the industries. Exposure visits are being organized by this college for the children, and they arrange annual function over there. Then extracurricular activities like inter-college competitions in sports, singing, dance is arranged, and faculties encourage the children to participate in extracurricular activities also. So they and children have won so many awards for the colleges by participating into these extracurricular activities. They even organize various art exhibitions, technical exhibitions. So what I basically would like to tell you, that whatever is important for a child from the future point of view, each and everything is being taught here. Like foreign language, they are teaching German, Chinese, and I think Japanese also in this college, and which is really helping the children to get from the future point of view, if they have to go abroad and study or something, because that's my personal experience. My son, he had learned Germany from here, and then he got a placement at the final year through the campus, and after working, simultaneously working, he was again doing his next level of German language, and then he decided to do masters in Germany, and he got admission there in very good college. And I'm happy to share here that while doing his internship and the thesis, he has got opportunity to work with a very well reputed organization in Germany. So that confidence, that level of confidence to face the challenges has come just because of the good things they have gained from this college. So I would like to thank everybody over here. We never had a regret for taking admission for my child, and I think you too will not be regretting if you take admission of your child in this college. It's really a very good college for your child's future. Thank you so much.